Mm-hmm.
Skeletor.
Skeletor. Oh. Look at you, you just fall over. She just falls over. Hmm?
Well, it's not shutting right. Not even near right.
I know.
Oh, pull it closed?
No, well, Gabe's going to take it down a little bit.
Oh, no. Oh, they just boobs.
Halfway open.
Oh, they just boobs, aren't they? Look at them. Look at them. What is it? What is it? Oh! What is it? Oh, she's doing the boo.
Okay, we're not saving full tabs anymore.
There's a container of them in the kitchen.
Where?
By the garage door. On that table.
No. Oh. I was looking too close to me.
Ooh, we gonna get that walk. We are. Yeah, we gonna get that walk. Mm-hmm. Ooh, we gonna do that walk like I told him last night. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You old fart. Ooh. He that old fart. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, he's a grouse one. He's like, I can't. He's like, I can't.